Make daily exfoliation a 1-minute habit, seamlessly incorporating microdermabrasion into your shower. Mornings set the tone for your day ahead. The quiet ritual of washing your face, applying your skincare, and preparing to meet whatever the world throws at you today is more than mere hygiene. This is an act of fundamental self-respect and self-empowerment. Within this 1-minute morning ritual is found the delightfully simple and yet transformative act, daily exfoliation. When performed correctly, sensitive daily exfoliation polishes away the thin layer of dead skin cells that naturally accumulate over the previous 24 hours. This not only exposes underlying new skin, but it also clears the way for your high-value moisturizers and eye serum to penetrate much more effectively. They provide your skin with ultra-high-quality oils, which the human body simply cannot produce. The concept of exfoliation is grounded in sound dermatological principles. Removing cellular debris reduces dullness, encourages healthy skin cell turnover and renewal. This discourages wrinkles and supports your skin's natural tone and firmness function. The method used actually does matter. In our 15 years of formulating and using our products and feedback from countless customers, see customers' reviews, we have found that hand-applied exfoliation is far superior to mechanical devices for everyday use. An attentive hand is practiced and adjusts the pressure in real time, lightly circling over delicate under-eye area and the neck. Apply firmer strokes along the jawline, cheeks, and forehead. Move your fingertips more slowly over areas where the surface feels slightly rough, uneven, or bumpy. These are places where dead skin cells tend to build up. Machines, while effective in certain contexts, cannot make such sensitive human adjustments as you do. No one knows your face as well as you do. Integrate this into your shower routine, a 1-minute investment providing huge payback. Number 1. Begin with warm water and face soap. This softens the skin's surface and prepares it for exfoliation. Number 2. Apply a small amount of REFRESHEN Super Premium Microdermabrasion Cream directly to your skin or a damp washcloth. Use light, circular motions, letting your fingertips sense the contours and varied elasticity of different facial areas. Microdermabrasion breaks the natural dormancy of your skin cell renewal process, providing a critical 10 to 15-minute post-abrasion period when your skin is highly absorbent to topical moisturizers and eye serums. See our blog. Microdermabrasion enhances the effectiveness of serums and moisturizers. Number 3. Apply your moisturizers and eye serum as soon as you step out of the shower. Also, avoid the temptation to scrub. The goal is refinement of your technique, never aggressive abrasion. Number 4. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and eyes closed, ensuring that any residue product or soap is rinsed away. The benefits of daily exfoliation are cumulative and self-evident. Skin appears smoother, fine lines and wrinkles are less noticeable, and a healthy glow replaces the matte fatigue look that often accompanies slow cellular turnover. Just as importantly, the act itself becomes a mindful pause, a minute in which you are attuned exclusively to the awareness of caring for your face and neck. From an academic perspective, daily microdermabrasion takes advantage of the skin's constant process of shedding and renewing skin cells. By supporting and accelerating this natural cycle in a controlled way, you are not trying to force renewal, but you are optimizing it. The key lies in maintaining a balance. Gentle enough to preserve barrier integrity, yet thorough enough to keep pores clear and support skin cell turnover. Make REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion a 1-minute ritual, and it will become the understated cornerstone of your successful face care shower routine.